Good morning and welcome back, students. We have completed our chapter 5, which was money, and today we will start our chapter 6 of macroeconomics banking. And after 6th chapter, we will start the second book, that is Indian economic development. Students, we have completed the chapter, and anytime we can take a surprise test from you. You have to be ready for the test. Prepare yourself. And also you have to do homework. Banking. First point in the banking chapter is money creation by the commercial banks. Now we are very well understood that commercial banks can create money. Is there any doubt? There should not be any doubt, because we have already studied that commercial banks are also suppliers of money. And how are they suppliers of money? That I have also told you that commercial banks provide credit to the people. Credit means वो हमें उधार देते हैं in the form of demand deposit. You cannot find even a single bank who are providing cash for the loan. Cash is never provided by banks for loan. Banks provide loan by crediting the amount in your account or in your seller account. So, in the banking, first point is money creation by the commercial bank. Now we will study in detail how commercial banks create money, why are they suppliers of money. So I am telling you in brief, they are suppliers of money because they provide loan in forms of demand deposit, and we all have studied that demand deposits are also part of money supply. Okay. Now, how do they issue money? They provide credit many times more than the cash reserves they have. You may have doubt in your mind that the RBI issued notes and that notes are given to public by the commercial bank. So how the commercial banks are suppliers? Your doubt is correct, but instead of cash, commercial banks provide loan also in form of demand deposit. And you may be shocked by hearing that the loans which are there in our country in form of demand deposit are many times more than the cash available in our country. Are you getting me? जितना कॉमर्शियल बैंक के पास डिमांड डिपॉजिट्स है ना आज की तारीख में, उससे बहुत कम कैश अवेलेबल है कंट्री के अंदर. कहने का मतलब ये है कि अगर सभी लोग अपने डिमांड डिपॉजिट से कैश निकाल लें तो कैश ही कम पड़ जाए. इतना ज्यादा मनी कॉमर्शियल बैंक क्रिएट करती हैं बाय वे ऑफ डिमांड डिपॉजिट. बिकॉज उन्हें करना क्या होता है, लोन देना है, वो कस्टमर के अकाउंट में अमाउंट को क्रेडिट कर देंगे, और सारे लोग तो कैश में निकालते नहीं है पैसा, वो अकाउंट टू अकाउंट ट्रांसफर होता रहता है. इन दिस वे दिस प्रोसेस इज डन. नाउ वी आर स्टडीइंग मनी क्रिएशन बाय कॉमर्शियल बैंक. In the previous chapter, we noted that the commercial banks are an important source of money supply in the economy. Unlike the central banks, the commercial banks do not have the authority of issuing currency. They cannot issue notes or coins. Yet, they are the suppliers of money, as they create money by way of demand deposits that I have already told you. In the present chapter, we discuss the process of money creation by the commercial bank, how exactly the commercial banks create money. The process of money creation by the commercial bank. So for understanding the process, first of all, we have to follow the observations which are given, and I will explain you one by one. First of all, we must know what are primary deposits and what are secondary deposits. Primary deposits मतलब banks receive cash deposits from the people. These are called primary deposits. As I have told you, there are two ways of depositing money in your account. First, you will deposit cash. Second, you will get loan from bank, because when banks provide you loan, they will credit the amount in your account and they will not provide you cash directly. So whatever money we are depositing in our account in cash, it is known as primary deposit. Banks lend money many times more than their cash reserve. This point, second point is also important. जैसा कि मैंने आपको बताया कि बैंक के पास जितना पैसा नहीं होता, जितना कैश नहीं होता, उससे कई टाइम्स ज्यादा वो मार्केट में मनी क्रेडिट पर देते हैं, उधार देते हैं. Money is lent by the commercial bank not in the form of cash but in the form of credit entry in the accounts of the borrower. These credit entries are known as secondary deposits. So money is lent by commercial bank. We know commercial banks lend money to the people, and this money is provided by way of credit entry in the account, and that credit entry accounts are known as secondary deposits. I hope now you are clear that primary deposits are received by bank in the form of cash, and secondary deposits are the credit entry made by the bank in the account of customer for providing loan. The borrowers can issue checks against credit. जो लोन उनको मिला borrowers को, उसके बदले में वो चेक इश्यू कर सकते हैं. The checks circulate in the economy as money, और इस तरीके से वो पैसा बाजार में मनी के फॉर्म में सर्कुलेट होता है. So primary deposits plus secondary deposits is equal to demand deposits held by the people in the commercial bank.